Another useful reflector is a silver twist open panel. This is made by Westcott. I added the counterbalance. I placed a silver reflector on a light stand high enough to catch some sunlight, so it would reflect sunlight back to the subject's face. You can also see a white reflector underneath the subject, and I'll talk about that in a minute. We can see how the subject looks before adding reflected main light. Note the absence of a good light pattern on the face as well as awful skin tones. This is because the only light on the face is coming from the blue sky and being reflected off of the green grass. See what sunlight bounced off of a silver reflector can do? The face is lit better both in modeling and color. Now about the lower reflector. Because I used reflectors and not flash, I can see that a reflector is needed to fill in the shadows that the main light reflector caused. If I had used flash, I probably wouldn't have been able to see that problem on the little LCD screen, as well as knowing if I give the subject just enough or a little too much flash. Using reflected sunlight to add direction and color to the subject is easy and effective. It overpowers bad light. It gives a much better lit subject. But if you use this technique too early in the day, it can lead to squinting because it's really bright on their eyes. So in this case, I had her tilt her head down so she wasn't looking into the bright light as much. Here's another look at the two images. Probably a better answer would be to use off-camera flash. We'll discuss that later in the outdoor flash section of this program.